So we're going to be putting this kit on the tanks. We're just going to put it in there. So we're going to connect the hose directly to the tank, and then the other end, it's just this little quick release where on the other end you're just going to connect that, and then you can just connect whatever you need on this side. Now we're just going to put tape on that. And I got this kit on Harbor Freight. It was only like 15 bucks. It comes with all of this. It's more than you'll need, and it's what I kind of want it for. It's when I wash the car. Yeah, we're gonna. He's just putting the tape for the other side. He's gonna just connect this little quick connector coupler. That I ordered. Screws right on there. Give it a little tight. And just hook up anything to it now. That's all it is. So it's connected to the actual tank now. Now we're just putting tape for the little blow-by gun thing that I'll be using. I seen they sell this on Bag Raiders. It's like $100. I'm not gonna pay that for this, so just pay 15 bucks at Harbor Freight. That's all it is. It connects directly to there. Alright, so I just turned on the car so the compressors can turn on and fill up the tank. See if it's gonna work or not. Blow all that dirt. Alright, so yeah, this kit is so much better. It's way cheaper, and it works, so I recommend. I would do it. So now we're just gonna, this is the one that you can put air on your tires or whatever. So we're just gonna put this little male fitting, connects directly to there. Gotta take it off, put some tape of course. And then that's just where it connects directly to the hose. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. So yeah, we're just putting tape on this. And then it's connected directly to here. Grab some wrenches and then just tighten it up. There you go. Alright, so this is how much the Bag Rider's one costs, $100. And I was gonna buy it, but then I realized that I can just buy a cheap one and it'll work instead of paying $100.
So you bought this kit right here?
Literally comes with everything you need, and then I can just buy more stuff if I want, longer hose or whatever. But it reaches to the front, so not really too worried about getting Alright, so change of plans. We're gonna connect the little quick connector coupler thing directly to the tank, so then we can just disconnect the hose whenever we want. So that's what my dad's doing right now. That's the side that's going to connect to the little thing that we connected to the tank. And the other end's the one we're going to connect stuff, so it's going to be the It's gonna be a little bit better because then we can take off the hose whenever we need to. Thank you, Fredo. Okay. Off and looking right. Alright, so that's better now because then still can connect to the tool and then we can just disconnect the hose and just put it away or whatever so it's not there from here. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Alright, so yeah, that's the end of this video. Just wanted to show you guys how you guys can connect this directly to your tank. And yeah, 15 bucks for this. I find it worth it. And it's pretty easy to install. Yeah, catch you guys on the next one.